Today's the day. After months and months of preparation and planning, the family and I, that's Lindsey, myself, I'm Chris, Van, our son, our two pups, Echo and Finley, we're gonna be moving out of this and into this. We've got a brand new channel. We call it Destination Special. What's that mean? Well, along our journey, every destination along the way, there's a story to tell. And we like to tell that story through food. We'll be partnering with farms, restaurants to not only showcase the food, but to showcase the folks who actually make that food and make that food great, and really the people behind what make those areas special. Anyway, you've heard enough from me. Let's come along. We'll start loading this thing up, and we'll tell you a little bit more about what we have going on.
Food has an incredible way of bringing friends, families, and communities together. Every destination offers cuisine that tells a story about the region and the people who live there. Our family is traveling the country in search of great foods and the folks who make them.
Look at that. Doing some fresh roasted poblano, onion cilantro burgers, fresh beef,
and
straight
meat
from the farm. Happy smoking New Year's, babies. Oh yeah. Hey, if you've liked what we've cooked up so far, now would be a great time to give us a like and keep that algorithm happy. And don't forget to subscribe. It's time for a break.
Yeah.
Tired? Ready for
Yeah.
a break? Let's go sit down and grab something to drink for a minute.
Yeah. You get back to work!
Oh God. So, final move in. The bed. When you realize last minute that your residential king-size mattress doesn't fit quite as well as you thought it would, well, then you make sure you're a little bit handy and you disassemble the RV to make sure you get your bed in. Progress and details to follow. What would you say you're gonna miss the most about like being stationary?
Having a full kitchen to cook in.
Yeah.
That
We love to cook. I mean, I think that's going to be the hardest thing for both of us is really the space. But we'll make do. We've both worked in small kitchens and worked with a lot less space than we have in our house. So
we can acclimate.
Yeah, we're going to have to. So the plan is we leave in a couple days, driving back to Pensacola, spending some time with my family, and then we're on the road officially. Like I think the 22nd of June is when we have our first reservation booked at a campsite in Georgia, spending the rest of the summer driving up to Maine, and then making our way back across towards Michigan, up through the UP, down to Chicago, and then to my mom's house by Christmas. Dodging the really cold weather and the snow as we kind of make our way
the Midwest.
zigzag through the north as we make our way back south in time to beat the really cold stuff.
But tonight, it's tacos. I need some tacos and some tequila after that packing today.
Well, update about the mattress. We got it in. We're sleeping like kings and queens from here on out, baby.
So come join us on our adventures as we visit new destinations, old friends, and share our experiences.
Uh-oh. See, we talked about food, and Finley, hi buddy. Finley's like, I'm hungry, he just got food. What's up, Bubba? You wake up? Hey everyone, this is Finley.